This is a legume that is called Centrosoma mole. Centrosoma refers to the shape of the flower, and mole means soft in either Latin or Greek. So Centrosoma mole, it's called butterfly pea bean in common language. And this one is originally from some Central and South America, and now it has got naturalized all over the tropical world. In India also it is spreading quite fast. And then it has been recognized as one of the good legume and forage crop for these cows and all, pastures and all. And also it has a good potential as a legume fixing and improving soil and all that. And the shape of the flower is somewhat similar to this Clitoria ternata, that Shankupushpi. And therefore people at first glance they think it's Shankupushpi, but if you observe carefully, that shade of pink is a bit different from the that Shankupushpi. As well as another important difference is each segment of the leaf has 3 parts, whereas this Shankupushpi has 5 leaves each. So you can make out from the leaf. Second is it is much vigorous grower compared to that Shankupushpi. And the seeds also, they're straight and long with up to 20 seeds and all. Whereas Shankupushpi seeds are smaller, half of this size. So that's another giveaway. Slim and rather straight seeds. And when they dry, they burst open and throw the seeds quite far. Then it can be found in nowadays in Kerala and coastal Karnataka. It is quite common, particularly along roadsides. Now this plant what I am showing is on a roadside. So I had seen this plant first in about 7-8 years back in one of our farm, and I thought it was more Shankupushpi only. Then I had got these seeds to my apartment some 4-5 years back, and then within 3-4 years I found that it has from my apartment balcony it has escaped to neighbor's garden, and then from there it has gone to the footpath, and then now it is steadily traveling down the road at the rate of about 200 meters a year. That's what now this plant is about half kilometer from my apartment. I'm quite sure it has come from my escapee from my own balcony. So it spreads very fast compared to that Clitoria ternata, and very hardy. It has deep tap roots and lateral roots also. Then in a good location, it can climb up to the height of an electric pole, say about 30-40 feet and all, whereas the Shankupushpi can never climb to those heights. So it is a vigorous climber, and then cows are also eating, it seems. Then it also looks pretty and all, hardy. So this is a little bit about the Centrosema mole. Nice plant, but it has a tendency to become invasive, and powerful invasive also. It likes very wet, moist areas. So coastal Kerala and Karnataka being very moist, they are surviving well and spreading here. Then also it can easily withstand some 3 to 4 months of dryness. That is this summer and all, there is no rain for 3-4 months and all. It can withstand and wait till the next monsoon also. Apart from that, It can smother weeds. You can see here, this is one of those exotic weeds that has completely invaded our India, and then it is smothering it nicely. So sometimes you have to use one thorn to remove another thorn. So like that, to get rid of this, some of these invasive bushy type of plants, it's a good one. It will smother them, and finally cows and all will eat it up. At least it fixes some nitrogen and all, whereas this is all completely useless. And cows also can eat that Centrosema. Then also it has uses in this coconut plantations and rubber plantations and all, to control weeds and fix the nitrogen and all. So that's a bit about this Centrosema mole.